Oh no! Oh no, I am so clumsy. I just knocked over my coffee cup.
What happened?
Look at the rug. The coffee spilled everywhere. It's completely ruined.
Hey, don't panic. Let me take a look.
It was an accident, but still, this is your favorite rug. I feel so bad.
Relax, it's really not that bad.
Not that bad? There's a big dark stain right in the middle. It looks awful.
Honestly, it's just coffee. It will come out.
I think I destroyed it. I'm really sorry.
Sarah, calm down. It's not a big deal at all.
Are you sure? You're not angry with me?
No, not at all. Accidents happen.
But this rug means a lot to you.
Actually, this rug is 10 years old. It already has stains on it.
Really?
Yes, and I was thinking of buying a new one anyway.
If you want, I can pay for the cleaning, or I can buy you a new rug tomorrow.
That's kind of you, but there's no need.
I was so worried.
I understand, but everything is fine.
Thank you for being so understanding.
Of course. Now let's get some paper towels and clean this up.
Okay, I'll get them right now. I'm so glad you can watch my house this weekend. You're really helping me out.
No problem at all. I'm happy to help.
I'm running late for my flight, so I need to explain everything quickly.
Okay, I'm listening.
The alarm code is 5921, and you have to press enter twice.
All right.
The cat eats wet food at 6, the dog eats dry food at 7. Mix the dog's food with a pill.
Okay.
And never let the cat into the garage.
Whoa, wait. You're going too fast.
Sorry, I'm nervous.
Can you run that by me again, slowly?
Of course. Alarm code 5921. Press enter twice.
Got it.
Cat at 6, dog at 7, no cat in the garage.
Okay. Alarm 5921, cat at 6, dog at 7, no garage for the cat.
Perfect.
I think I understand.
One more thing. The back door sticks sometimes.
What do you mean?
You need to lift the handle up before you turn the key.
Lift up, then turn.
Exactly.
That sounds tricky. Can you run that by me again?
Sure. Lift the handle up first, then turn the key.
Okay, I won't forget.
Great. I really appreciate this.
No problem. Have a safe flight.
Hey, I have a strange question.
What is it?
Since when do we own pink shirts?
Pink shirts? That doesn't sound right.
Come here and look.
Oh, no. All my white shirts are pink.
I just noticed a red sock at the bottom of the washing machine.
You mean this red sock?
Yes, I must have missed it. I was in such a rush this morning.
I can't believe this.
I messed up. I'm really, really sorry.
I have an important meeting tomorrow morning.
I know. I feel terrible.
I can't go to work wearing pink shirts. I'll look like strawberry ice cream.
Please don't be mad. I wasn't paying attention.
Okay, let's think. Do we have any bleach?
No, the color is too strong. Bleach won't help.
So what do we do?
I'll fix this. I'll go to the mall and buy you new shirts.
The mall closes in an hour.
Then we should hurry.
I'll grab my wallet.
I already have the car keys.
All right, let's go. Are you ready? We should leave now.
Wait. Let's not drive tonight.
Why not? Driving is faster.
Not right now. It's rush hour.
But the GPS says 20 minutes.
The GPS is wrong. The highway will be packed.
Oh yeah, rush hour traffic is awful.
We could be stuck for an hour.
I hate sitting in traffic.
Exactly. Plus, parking near the stadium costs $50.
$50? That's crazy.
The train ticket is only $5.
That's a big difference.
And if we take the train, we can both have a beer at the game.
No driving afterward. That sounds nice.
So, what do you think?
Saving money and avoiding traffic? That makes sense.
Great. Let's walk to the station.
I can't believe this. I completely failed.
Hey, calm down. What happened?
The interview was horrible. I froze. I forgot what to say.
That happens sometimes.
It gets worse. I spilled coffee on the hiring manager's desk.
Oh, wow, that's rough.
I'm never going to get a job. I'll be broke forever.
Okay, stop. You're spiraling.
I'm so embarrassed.
It was one bad interview. That's all.
It didn't feel like just one.
Listen, you have another interview on Friday with a better company.
That's true.
You can't let today ruin that chance.
You're right. Crying won't help.
Exactly. Pull yourself together.
Okay, I'll go wash my face.
Good idea. You've got this.
Thanks for believing in me.
When you come back, I'll buy you a muffin.
Tom? Is that really you?
Sarah! Wow, I haven't seen you in years.
I know. You look exactly the same.
So do you. When did you move back?
Last month, I'm finally done unpacking.
That's great. We have so much to talk about.
Definitely. A quick chat isn't enough.
We should hang out properly.
I'd love that. Are you free this weekend?
Saturday morning works for me.
Perfect. Maybe coffee?
I know a nice place downtown. It's quiet and cozy.
Sounds perfect.
I have to run to a meeting now, but I'll text you later.
Okay. I'm really glad I ran into you.
Me too. It made my day.
See you Saturday.